Hey guys, welcome to my Joker Halloween tutorial. Sorry it's late. I've been going through it, but I did it and I hope you like it. If you want to know where I got the outfit, I found this shirt a long time ago at Forever 21. It's just a long sleeve dark green shirt that you can tie a bow on. The dress and the jacket I found at TJ Maxx. I thought it would be cute to wear a dress. Originally I was going to go find pants, but as soon as I found this jacket, I found this dress. It's just a pencil dress, and then the coat, it's a little big, but it does the job, and I feel good like the Joker. So if you want to know how I did this relatively glam Joker clown makeup, just keep watching and make sure you stay to the end, because there will be a giveaway of one of these mini house wigs, but it's going to be a 20-inch, so stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you found it helpful. I have collaborated with MiniHouse8888 to give away one of their lace front wigs. They all come in platinum blonde, so you can dye them any color you want. They are going to be giving away a 20-inch wig. This one I believe is 14 or 16 inches. I thought it was perfect for the Joker. And this is its natural texture after drying. It is their straight hair, but when you let it just naturally dry, it gets a little wave to it. Also perfect for the Joker. But here is the 20-inch. Really long, really thick. I have a video on how I dyed this one, which I will link in the description. To enter, I'm going to be doing this on Instagram, so you're going to find a photo of me as the Joker and it will have the giveaway. There will probably be 3 photos of me as the Joker, but one of my pictures of me as the Joker will have all the giveaway information. Instagram is just easier for me, so yeah. All the giveaway instructions will be on that photo. I am going to announce the winners on my Instagram in stories and in a post on November 7th. That's my birthday. Go check out my Instagram. Go check out MiniHouse's Instagram. They do monthly giveaways. And get yourself a new wig for Halloween. So again, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in my next one. Have a happy Halloween. Bye-bye.